This is the demonstration of the Verity IA strip scan analysis. We are measuring the coated side of a machine width reel strip of coated one-side containerboard. The entire 6.5 meter strip will be read into the scanner, and then in software we're going to subdivide that 6.5 meters into segments and then analyze each segment. The length of the segment will also be reported, as will the area of each segment that's under test. What we're looking for is in each of the segments, we're going to do three different analyses. We're going to be looking for dark specks or dirt, maybe inclusions underneath the coating surface. And then a second analysis is going to be looking at the coating surface itself. We're looking for surface gloss and maybe some coating scuff marks. And then the third analysis is we're focusing specifically on looking for fibers that might be picked from the backside of the sheet that faces up against it when it's on the reel. So that the data that's going to be reported on screen is the results for each of those analyses in the segment. We're going to be analyzing particles on the basis of their size, their shape, and their luminosity, and then putting them into all the proper bin categories, as well as reporting their totals. There is a gray strip that you can see that represents the segment under test. So anomalies that pop up can be identified, and actually when we're done with the test, each individual anomaly can be read with a data block and identified. So the total data for each of the segments, for each of the three tests in each segment is going to go to the Excel spreadsheet, be reported for each segment, and then totaled at the bottom. So for example, the PPM is going to take advantage of a very large sample size so that we reduce the extrapolation errors in generating that PPM number. And finally, certain data points to anomalies in the strip, so we can zoom in on portions of the strip